updates for Impact Mailing Club. Now, I've been on vacation since the 6th of August, and I've had limited Wi-Fi, and you know how that goes. So, YouTube videos have been a real challenge for me at this point. But I wanted to let you know that Impact Mailing Club, coming on Monday, will actually have a sizzle call that you can share with prospects, and if they call in the number and listen and they decide what they hear and they like it, and as long as they mention your name, Impact Mailing Club will return their call and will close those prospects for you. So that's really cool. Of course, I'm not going to share the number. There's no point in doing that yet since it's not going to be effective until Monday. And as soon as Monday comes around, and then I'll get another video up, and I'll get that sizzle number out to everybody so they know where to call and where to leave a message. And don't forget, you have to actually mention how you heard about Impact Mailing Club when you do leave your message, because unless they know that, they're not going to know who referred them. So I hope that makes a lot of sense to you. Now, we also have, non-member leads are going to be available next week also. These members, non-member leads they're not cheap by any means, and I have gone over the pricing of some of those in a past video. But, you have to take into consideration that these leads are verified with the national change of address, and also with the U.S. Postal Service. So they do go through a stringent screening process before they are actually released to any members or non-members. And members will have the opportunity to actually have a referral code for non-members who would like to buy leads, and you will also earn a commission from that. So even if you were going to be a non-member purchasing leads for your type of business, whether it be a small business, a business opportunity, or health and wellness, which those are the three areas that we focus as far as leads go. If you could get in and to the lowest end of Impact Mailing Club as a member, even if you did not want to promote it. If you were a member, then of course buying those leads would be less as far as being a member compared to being a non-member purchasing leads. I hope that makes sense. So, yeah, I'm pretty stoked about this. I haven't been doing any mailings, of course, since I've been out of town, and I brought leads with me. It's just when you're not in your own area, you're not exactly sure where to go, where to get supplies, where to get this, where to get that. But that's okay. I'm not worried. I'll get back on that hobby horse as soon as I can and get back home, or maybe I'll even get some done and mailed out next week. So I just wanted to share that information with you. Exciting news, and if you haven't checked out my past videos regarding Impact Mailing Club, please do so you're well informed. Okay, Chaya. What? Go on in. Go. Sorry. My niece dog, she wanted to go in. So anyway, that's what I have for you today, and I hope to see you guys on the next video, and have a great one. Bye now.